This is Elly's polynomial function. F of x equals 4x cubed plus 19x squared plus 28x plus 12. To solve this, the first thing we need to do is find all the possible factors of this equation. That would be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6, or plus or minus 12. All over plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, or plus or minus 4. We're going to try minus 2 first, and once we factor that out, we should get 0. Now we're going to use synthetic division to check if our remainder is 0. Bring down the 4. 4 times negative 2 equals negative 8. 19 plus negative 8 gives us 11. 11 times negative 2 is negative 22, and add those together. We'll get a remainder of 0. Our new equation is x plus 2, 4x squared plus 11x plus 6. Now we have to factor this. We have to find two numbers that add to 11 and multiply to 24. That would be plus 3 and plus 8. So expand these, and then factor out a 4x and 3. Now you'll end up with x plus 2, 4x plus 3, x plus 2. Now we should figure out all of the zeros. Our zeros would be negative 2 and negative 3 over 4. Next we're going to try and find the y-intercept. We'll set our x to 0 and solve for that, which will give us the y-intercept. Our y-intercept is 12. Now we want to find one other point on our graph between these 2 points. I'm going to use negative 1 and solve for that by putting negative 1 in for x. We get negative 1. And now we know all of our points. So I'm just going to list those. We have 0, 12, that's our y-intercept. -2, 0, that's one of our zeros. -3/4, our other zero. And -1, -1, that's the point we just found. Now we're ready to graph. First, you can start by plotting your points, which I've written up in the corner there. Looking back at our original equation, we can see that our highest degree is 3, and the coefficient is 4. Because 4 is positive and 3 is odd, on our graph, left will be down and right will be up. Now that we have all of our information, we can draw our line. We know that it starts down and ends up. Don't miss any points. That's our graph.